Writing content with AI inside of WordPress is super easy. With this plugin, you'll be able to install it and create content that will be really good. It'll analyze competitors and you'll be able to track how it's actually performing. So this is GetGenie and let me show you how it works. Link provided in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Now, I already have GetGenie installed here on my WordPress website, and I'm going to show you how to create a piece of content really easily right here. Now, before I show you, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, this is a great option. They have managed WordPress hosting that includes AI to manage the site, which is pretty cool. Now, check out the pricing here in the link in the description. Scroll down here and you'll see that the premium version does not have the AI, but it's really affordable. So I would recommend the most popular plan, which is Business Plus AI. And for $2.99, you'll get the AI features too, plus way more power than the base plan. So you can install up to 50 websites, 5 managed nodes, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes per website for the first year for free, and the AI tools, which is where it really shines. So this is a great plan. Let me go ahead and choose this plan because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code. This is going to drop the price even more. Now, the first thing I recommend is selecting the amount of months you want to pay in advance. I recommend 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. So this is the best option for you. Then this is the price. Click on have a coupon code and type in or paste in my code, and the price is going to drop to $129.17 for 4 years paid off. So that's a great price. Trust me. Now back to my WordPress site where I have GetGenie installed. Now I'm going to show you how to create a piece of content really easily right here. So what you want to do is head over to post, add a post. And once you're here, you have an option that says write for me. Now let's go ahead and select write for me. And this is going to open up GetGenie. It's super easy to get started. So let's go ahead and do so. Now I have several available options here to get started. For example, if I want to do an AI fact generator, local service page copy generator, a blog wizard, which is what I'm going to use right here. But there's several available options that we can use. So decide what you want and it's the best fit for you. In this case, keyword, I'm going to say coffee shops in Texas. All right, here we go. The language is good. The SEO mode, select the section of the search engine that you want to rank in. So for example, United States, or select global if it's like in general. In this case, I want to rank in United States because this is about Texas, all right? Then I can add some context here. For example, I can say the coffee shops that do manual brewing. So these are like specialty coffee shops. So don't talk about like general coffee shops. So I don't want to talk about Starbucks or big chains. I want to talk about those small businesses. I can even say here, small coffee shops that do manual brewing. And I can set that here in the context. Then the creativity. So set the creativity here. If you want to make it go wild, set it up to 5. If you don't want it to be creative, set it all the way down. In this case, I want to be super creative. So let's do 5. Then I can generate the title. In this case, I've set it to max results 2. So I'm going to get 2 titles. In this case, I'm just going to select this one for testing purposes. Let's hit next. Then we are going to generate the intro. Again, it's going to generate 2 intros, and then I can select from there which one I like the most and continue to generate the outline. Okay. So we should be getting that in a bit. Here we go. And I'm going to select this one just for testing purposes. Hit next. Here we go. Now we are going to generate the outline. So again, we're going to generate 2 outlines for this purpose. So based on the title and the intro, we got the outline. And here we go. We got this outline and this one. Now I can go ahead and select all right here, deselect what I don't want. And I can also select from the second option that I got. So let's just say that I found these, the best options. Let's hit next. And I can do customized content, or I can do a one-click blog. I like the one-click blog the most with this plugin because it generates the most content. If I go to customized content, even if I select large, it doesn't write that much content. So I like it. I like this one better, and I can go ahead and customize it later on. So this is the best option for me. So we should be getting that piece of content right now in a bit. And here we go. Let's go ahead and replace whatever it has. And here we go. We got our content. So we got our title and we got the content right here, which is a whole lot. This is what I was mentioning. When you click on one-click blog, it writes a whole lot of content, which I think is good. So we got Austin, Dallas, Houston, El Paso, Galveston, Hill Country. So it's writing about the coffee shops in these areas in Texas because that's what I wanted. That was the main keyword for this. Now I can go ahead and continue modifying this content by selecting any piece of the content, clicking on the Genie, and I have options to write using a template, expand the outline, continue writing, rewrite tags, or write using GetGenie. So several available options here. Now, aside from that, I can see how this is going to rank with the competitors. I haven't done the analysis for the competitors, but I can do so right now. And then I'll be able to track the performance of how my piece of content is ranking compared to the competitors. So it helps me out to say, hey, you know what? I need to add images. I need to add more content. I need to add such and such, frequently asked questions, etc. So once I do this, I can analyze the competitors right here by fetching the data. In this case, I'm not going to do it. This video is about writing the content really easily with GetGenie. So if you want to write content really easily on your WordPress website with AI, this is a great option. So check it out. Link provided in the description. And that's a wrap.